Students, today we will discuss about the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction, because in the chemical property of arene show electrophilic substitution reaction. Why arene show electrophilic substitution reaction? Due to presence of pi electron in the benzene ring or in the aromatic compounds. Better mechanism of arene for electrophilic substitution reaction. Follow three steps. Step 1, generation of electrophile. Step 1 is the generation of electrophile. Later we have a reagent that consists of electrophile and nucleophile both. Nucleophile is more electronegative, so it attracts both the electrons towards itself. And we get two species. One is electron deficient species and other one is electron rich species. Electron deficient species is known as electrophile. It is known as electrophile. Beta step 2, that is attack of electrophile. Electrophile will attack on aromatic compound, that is arene. Beta question, why it attack? Answer is only due to presence of pi electron in the ring. That is beta benzene ring consists of 6 pi electrons in the form of 3 double bond. Clear? When electrophile come in contact with benzene ring donate its pi electron pair towards electron deficient species, that is electrophile, and it will form carbocation in the benzene ring. These two pi bonds remain intact. This bond will be shift towards electrophile. Here one hydrogen automatically be present, one hydrogen present at each carbon, and this carbon will be positively charged. Now this carbocation, aromatic or arene carbocation, show resonance. How it show resonance? Beta, first resonating structure is this one. Now this carbon, identify, this have less number of carbon atom, this have less number of electron and this have more electron, so it shifts its pi electron towards itself. Then this carbon is sp3 hybridized, do not involve in resonance. Clear? Beta, this carbon shift the pi bond towards this, so this carbon is positive. Now this pi bond shift towards positively charged carbon, and we have third resonating structure, that is sp3 hybridized carbon remain as it is. This pi bond remain intact. Pi bond shift toward this carbon, so this carbon remain positive. On the basis of these three resonating structures, we have a common resonance hybrid, that is beta sp3 hybridized carbon do not have pi electron. Pi electron present here and here in one structure, second structure here and here, third structure here and there. So pi electron moves in 5 carbon and positive charge also we move in 5 carbon. This is resonance hybrid. This is resonance hybrid. Now beta, electrophile will attack on aromatic compound at these points. It is okay. Now proton is released from aromatic carbocation to become neutral or substitute compound, that is known as step 3. Step 3 is release of proton. Beta, any of the three resonance structure You will choose anyone as you like. Nucleophile attack over alpha carbon having hydrogen. This hydrogen leave its electron towards the positively charged carbon, and hydrogen is replaced with electrophile. Hydrogen is replaced in the form of H positive as this one. Clear? And we have electrophile in place of hydrogen. This is substitution reaction. Electrophile substitute the hydrogen, so it is electrophilic substitution reaction. Better, this is the mechanism. We studied 4 electrophilic substitution reactions, that are halogenation, sulfonation, nitration and Friedel-Crafts reaction. So step 1 of each. Better, for halogenation, we use halogen in presence of catalyst, that is halogen carrier, just like Lewis acid. It is electron deficient in nature, so one of the halogen attract both the electrons towards itself and move towards Lewis acid, and it will give electrophile as chloride. For halogenation or chlorination, for bromination it is bromine cation, iodine it is iodocation, and this behave as nucleophile. Clear? Better, this behave as nucleophile. It is for halogenation. For sulfonation, better, sulfuric acid lose H positive ion with HSO4 negative. This H positive ion again attack on sulfuric acid, like this, and it will give SO3H positive as electrophile. Release water. It is step 1. It is step 1 for sulfonation. Now for nitration. Another step for nitration, that is better, for nitration we have nitrating mixture, concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Step 1. Better, concentrated sulfuric acid lose its proton. This proton will attack over nitric acid, just like out of nitrogen and oxygen, oxygen is more electronactive, it attracts electrons towards itself and attack over proton. It will give nitro compound as electrophile and as nucleophile this one. Clear? These are the initiation step of halogenation, sulfonation and nitration of benzene. Clear? Directive influence of substituent. Beta, benzene have any functional group at any of the carbon. It is mono substituted benzene, but on mono substituted benzene, if another group will be attacked, better, the group attached on the benzene also influence the position. So disubstituted benzene have 2 positions. 1,2 position is known as ortho. 1,3 position is known as meta, and 1,4 position is known as para. If we use 1,5, it is meta. 1,6, it is ortho. So benzene, disubstituted benzene has only 3 positions: ortho, meta and para. The substituent group present on monosubstituted benzene will direct the incoming substituent either on ortho and para position or on meta position. So directive influence of substituent, that may be ortho and para directing or meta directing. Beta, which group are ortho and para directing for benzene? Which group are ortho and para directing? The electron releasing group, the group which increase the resonance, which show plus R effect, are ortho and para directing. These are beta the substituent or group which are direct the incoming group or ortho and para position, which are electron releasing in nature or that show plus R effect, that show plus R effect or electron releasing group. Beta that are maybe halogen, maybe amine, maybe hydroxyl, maybe alkyl, maybe ether, beta ester, primary, secondary, tertiary amine, amide. These are the ortho and para directing. Why they are ortho and para directing from incoming electrophile? This will be shown by through the resonating structure. Suppose you have halogen. Halogen is more electronegative than carbon, but benzene is extra stable. So benzene, carbon of benzene is more electronegative. It attracts electrons of any of these group towards itself and transfer its pi electron towards the next carbon. It increases the resonance, increase the reactivity of benzene. It activates the benzene towards incoming electrophile by increasing the electron density. It will lose the electron, so it carry positive charge. Now it transfers the electron towards itself. Now you have another position where electrophile will attack is the para. This one is ortho, because ortho have extra electrons, so electrophile easily attack our ortho position. Now para have extra electron, so electrophile easily we attack on para position. Again these electrons shift towards this carbon and these electrons shift towards sixth carbon. Sixth carbon is again ortho position. Beta sixth carbon is again ortho position, just like that. Electron shift with this carbon, this remain intact. It is again ortho position, so electrophile can easily attack. If it return to electron to first carbon, this return electron to the substituent group attached to the benzene. Out of these 5 resonating structure, we have negative charge only at ortho, para or ortho position. So incoming electrophile will attack on ortho, para or ortho position, not at meta, because meta position is not be activate or deactivate. Clear? Then some groups are meta directing. Which group are meta directing? That is meta directing group. Which group are meta directing? The group which have tendency to attract electrons from the benzene ring. These group are meta directing. Beta usually they are more electronegative than benzene, or they contain double bond और carbonyl group, nitro group, they are meta directing group because they attract electrons towards itself from benzene. Suppose cyanide also, isocyanide, these are the group which attract electrons towards itself. Let us suppose you have carbonyl group. Oxygen is more electronegative than this carbon, so it attracts electrons towards itself. This carbon already have less electrons, so it attracts electrons towards the itself from benzene ring, so it deactivates the benzene because it decreases the electron density on benzene. It shows deactivation of benzene towards electrophile. So these two pi bonds remain intact. Carbon attract electrons towards itself, so this carbon carry positive charge. Beta, first carbon is this one, second carbon, 1-2 position is ortho position. Ortho position carry positive charge. Is electrophile attack over it? Answer, no, because similar charges repel each other. So at ortho position, attack is not possible. It transfer electron like this. In another structure, we have this group. Para position also carry positive charge. Again ortho carry positive charge. So these groups which attract electrons towards itself from the benzene deactivate the benzene towards electrophile only at ortho and para position. So it is possible that electrophile will attack only at meta position. Thank you.